Not having an internet connection sucks. It sucks even more when you need to jump on a business call. Come on, let's face it. We live in a fast-paced world. You need to be ready to get online at a moment's notice. You can't waste valuable time looking for a cafe with good Wi-Fi or guessing if your phone hotspot is going to get you the speeds that you need. On top of that, it takes less than a minute for somebody in the same Wi-Fi network to break into your computer. All your photos, important documents, passwords, even bank account information can be stolen and deleted during these 60 seconds. Meet nect MODEM, the complete and elegant solution to these problems. This sexy little modem equips your workstation with secure high-speed internet everywhere cellular networks reach. Just stick it onto your laptop and let this little beast get you online fast while keeping your connection safe from intruders. Take your video call in the park. Sign that contract in the cafe. Send those documents at the airport before departure. Watch some movies on the train. Working from home? Brainstorm with your team during a video call while sitting on the couch wearing only your PJs. Do it all securely thanks to the nect MODEM's VPN, proxy, and a firewall. Even if those words might mean nothing to you, they assure that all your data is transferred securely and anonymously. Everything in one elegant solution to ensure your browsing is absolutely private, while your information is entirely safe and sound. The nect MODEM gives you the ability to purchase personalized data plans in 208 countries and territories around the world. Don't waste your time and money buying a SIM card or paying for roaming. Now, let's compare the internet speed of your phone hotspot, public Wi-Fi, and the nect MODEM. The difference is significant. The nect MODEM has one job: to get you online fast using a USB connection, no matter if you have Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The nect MODEM becomes a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 10 devices in a press of a button, so you can share your connection with your coworkers or friends. The best part is, you don't need to charge it. The nect MODEM becomes an integral part of your laptop. It works as long as your laptop is charged. And who made it possible? Some big corporations? No. Misha did, with his incredible team of engineers, designers, and software developers. The nect MODEM is awesome, secure, reliable, fast, mobile, and you can totally afford it. Having your own nect MODEM makes you independent. Go to nectmodem.com and be connected everywhere.
Hi, I'm Misha, the founder and CEO of Nect World, the team that makes nect MODEM possible. When we were preparing for launch, the world faced an incredible challenge. To keep up with these unique times, we changed, adapted, and grew. Now, we are ready to start manufacturing and deliver your very own nect modems right to your doorstep, no matter what. Thank you for being with us, and be connected everywhere.